Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you one disease which you can be eliminating in your flock and how you can identify it. This is going to cause your rabbits sometimes to not do well, so you need to look out for the signs very early. Like you can see, I have this litter of bunnies, but when you look at the mother rabbit very well, you see that it is growing thin. That is not from nursing these 5 bunnies. The 5 bunnies look fine and they have actually reached winning age. I can be able to win them. However, what I observe with the mother rabbit is this crust that is growing on the ears, and this is a sign that your rabbit is not well. I will pull it here. As you can see, this is growing thin. You can almost mistake it to be one of these little bunnies. However, this has not spread to the little bunnies, but I will go ahead and medicate them as well. This can be identified as mange. This can be mange in rabbits. It's going to be common coming through the ears, and also you will be seeing it on the feet. I want to show you how the feet they look like. You see that almost the rabbit is almost losing its nails. Like you can see, these are signs that you can look out for in your flock to ensure that you do not have this mange. The mange is going to cause your rabbit to lose a lot of weight. And when that happens and you don't notice it very early, you're going to find that all your rabbit nose, ears, the entire face of your rabbit is covered with that kind of crust. It should indicate that the disease has grown too much and you're at the verge of losing your rabbit. So acting very fast will be key for you. Now, what should you use to treat that? There are a couple of ways you can be treating this. One is you can use vegetable oil. This is cooking oil, and you just smear it on the affected areas. That way it will take a few days, and then that crust will start dropping off and it will be clearing. The only issue with that, because we have used it before and it is the organic way you can do it, it's going to come back. The problem is going to come back. You will pass a few days and the problem is going to come back. So what do you do to permanently remove this kind of issue? One is you have to isolate the rabbit. Now, like I have discovered this today, so what I'm going to do is I am going to wean off these bunnies, but as well I am going to give them preventive medication. So isolate the rabbit, ensure that you have a sick bay on your farm. If I can show you here on my farm, the other very last cage which you see having a jerry can, let me just take a walk there. This very last cage, it is 6 rooms. This is my sick bay. That cage which you see, and as you can see, it is empty. There's no bunny in there. That water container, that jerry can with the pipe connecting on it, that's where I put medications if I need to give oral medication, and then I medicate the rabbits that need that care in that cage. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I will be picking this rabbit after I administer to it this medication which we have found to work very well, and then I will go ahead and put it in that cage, and then the bunnies will stay alone. Now, this medication which we use is this ivermectin. Now, ivermectin is an injectable medicine for the bunnies. This is going to be treating that skin disease for your bunnies, be it mange, which is what we have here, or ear mite. Sometimes the rabbit is going to start by shaking the head to indicate that there could be parasites in the ear, and then gradually you will see that crust developing. So what dosage do you give for this ivermectin? You're going to give your mature rabbit 0.5 mils that is injected under the skin. If you don't know how to administer these medicines, I will advise that please get services of the vet to be able to administer for you these medicines. This information which we are sharing is based on our experience as raising rabbits on the farm for the past 3 years. We are not veterinary officers. So please, whenever you have challenges with the health of your bunnies, please reach out and request services of a trained veterinary doctor. These ones are about 2.5 months, so I will be giving them 0.2 mils because these have grown enough to be injected. If your rabbit is below 2 months, please do not inject it with any medicines. Like I've said, this is not medical advice. This is just information I'm sharing based on the experience that we have gained here raising rabbits and what has worked for us. For you to just know that is the basis on which we are sharing this video. So these are the bunnies after I administer ivermectin to them. Like I said, for the young ones, I give 0.2 mils. And you see they are jumping around because the medication is going to be uncomfortable for them, but this is good for them so that they can be well. So after that, like I said, you need to separate the mother, most especially because the bunnies are still looking okay. There's no sign of disease, so whatever I have, the medication I've given them is more or less a preventive measure. So the mother rabbit has been isolated, and like I had earlier pointed out, this is our sick bay. So this is where I have put the mother rabbit. It's going to be here for a couple of days where we are going to be monitoring it, or even a couple of weeks until these crusts have all cleared and the feet has all also cleared. So from here I am going to be giving it multivitamin through that water reservoir which I have put there. And this is the good thing with you separating your bunnies. You are able to administer these multivitamins, just a small quantity that is required to be consumed by one rabbit, other than you putting your multivitamin for the entire farm. So you will be wasting it. Of course, it is important for you to give multivitamin to your bunnies, and so that they are able to gain some weight and also get additional nutrients that cannot be gotten from feeds. So guys, if you've watched the video this far, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that the next time we put out content, you are notified to come and watch with us. Otherwise, guys, catch you in the next video. Please share the video with a friend, like, and if you would like to ask anything, please put it in the comment section below. We will try our best to get back to everyone that gives us a comment. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video.